I was about to leave for Pilates and I'm looking at all my pretty sunflowers. They're kind of everywhere. I have some that are just about to bloom. And I'm looking at all the beautiful shades of yellows. I love my sunflowers. I did not plant any sunflowers this year. They just kind of came up, did their own thing. And then I noticed this one sunflower. And I was like, wow. It looks like 3 flowers fused together. But look how perfectly imperfect she is. She's still beautiful. And that's just our daily reminder that we don't have to be perfect to anyone's standard but our own. We can be 3 things in one and still perfect. Perfectly imperfect the way God made us. Happy Sunday.